Check out this new 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 21 on the highway. This Avalanche boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the seats, front bucket, body-colored exterior components, trailering package, heavy-duty engine, Vortec 5.3 LSV flex fuel, tires, P275/55R20, all-season, Blackwall, wheels, 420 inches x 8.5, 50.8 cm x 21.6 cm, polished aluminum, and the audio system with navigation, FM/XM stereo with CD player. Call 888-430-8589 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.